This is an FYI video to tell you that Google Sheets is way better than Excel. Yes, Microsoft Excel is for oldies, and I am officially declaring Google Sheets as the champion of Sheets. Let me show you this. I could build this in just 10 minutes using ChatGPT and Google Sheets and its extension AppScripts. This is just a dummy data. This is not real data, but looks very much like real data, right? You can use AppScripts to generate dashboards like these, or you can launch your own web app with a proper UI and KPIs and a beautiful design just using ChatGPT. You don't have to be a coder, right? You don't need to know development, just need to know what you want to build and how do you explain it to ChatGPT, and it will write the code for you to put into app scripts, and you can get department wise data. This is just what I got within 10 minutes, right? You can get business intelligence dashboards, and also you can connect your AI model key Perplexity. In this I'm using Perplexity. You can put Anthropic's key, you can put OpenAI key, and let AI analyze your data for you. This is so good that and it's almost free. It's the tokens that are used are not depending upon what kind of queries you want to run and how many responses you want to get in a single query. You wouldn't need to hire any data analysts or do any heavy SQL queries or nothing. Just you need to have your data. You can use AI to clean your data. You can use AI to analyze it for you. You can also use it to describe and prescribe for you as well, like what happened, why it happened, and what needs to be done. This is a game changer. So officially, Google Sheets is the champion of Sheets. DTC and e-commerce founders looking for pocket-friendly internal ops automations, customer engagement automation, and your business intelligence dashboards with a very pocket-friendly pricing? I'm your guy. You can reach out to me via LinkedIn, or you can just email me on this information.